On me by, never kill nobody alive. Can't catch me down no matter where I try. Headshot for the big fat boss over the tower guy.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Well, me hear them a talk about Kman 6ixx, and me decide say, yo, me have a review that video here. And the first thing me I go say, me no like it. Yo, me no know where them youth here pre, but I know music them a pre. Them definitely a pre-war. I watch it over and over again, and them a call up the big man name and them thing there and other man name, and in the video, so them youth here, them nah do music as an artist, them a do it as a gangster. I mean, I'm looking at the video and it's like pretty much watching a gangster movie or looking at some gangsters. It is very, like him say, black and dark, straight evil. There's better ways for fight to the war, my youth. Use some lyrics instead of using, but this video get a whole heap of views, and me hear all a vlogger say it get whole heap of money pull up at Jamaica. But as far as this go, compared to Prince Wani, Taliban is a way better tune than this one. And like this, me don't know, I don't even know how to explain it. Now, the youth Kman 6ixx, him have a good singing voice, but I can see my try him look at acting and thing, but the premise, what the music surround, I can't support that. But I guess people like murder, killing, gang, drugs, gang, and as far as me concerned, the human race has gone fucking mad. We've been mad. When you check out the anarchies and look at the anarchies history, and them deal with the 10th planet, and that will give us some knowledge of how we are as humans. We've been gone mad, and whether you's a pastor, a gangster, a prime minister, a crackhead, the whole away, a lunatic, because this video, it get a thumbs down from the great countryman. Sorry Kman 6ixx, but you have a long way to go. Even though your video might get a whole heap of views, I think it's a screwed up video and a screwed up song, and that's what I have to say about it. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. But it really sad, you know, when the youth them take reggae music star. You understand? And that's what pushed me into the Trinidad scene and the TRINIBAD scene. And them take the reggae music and them turn it into murder music. And what's even more sad, it's the kind of music they're doing, it's actually selling. And people are listening to it. And people are teaming up with gangs and this and that. And like me say, a bunch of sickos. They took reggae music and pretty much destroyed. And I don't give a fuck if any kids are listening, and they better cock them ears. But even Skilly Bang and the boys king them know say the man them I destroy the music, but them now go speak panic cause them and yam food out of Trinidad, you understand? But listen, the man them are totally destroy the music and turn the music in a murder music. Kman 6ixx, Kman or where you want name, you get a failure for the one yeah. Even though you have a whole heap of views, me not like it. I'm out.